Today we go to page 11. And page 11, and I think it's the last line of the page 11. I think we went through those yesterday and this times roughly. As I said to you, and you all know, and this is his own Dudjom Rinpoche or Dudjom Rinpoche taught as a graduation way. With the instruction pointing out the teaching of the how to develop gradually and then bring the realization of the Dzogchen. This is what really we should practice. We all not the highly capable instant persons. The highly capable practitioners, they don't have to go graduation, they instantly touch to the core of the nature. Even we receive the teaching of the most powerful, the mostly kind of nugget, Dzogchen teaching, but yet when it comes to the practice, we have to follow graduation ways. As in the mention here, with the mindfulness of the whole point of the training of the mind, and for mindfulness. Those are gradually we establish it. And those I said, and I'm not just I said, the teaching said, those are shamatha meditation. Shamatha meditation is the foundation of all the practices, all the meditation. Without a good foundation of shamatha, Vipashyana won't come. Because with Vajrayana, we can resist the teaching, Dzogchen teachings, all that, but won't click so easily. Really, it was difficult to understand it. It's kind of difficult. Even we are following the tracks and the teaching, still couldn't kind of figure out exactly. And that's what the Vipashyana is. It's very according to the teaching, and when we go through the teaching, Vipashyana is so easy, so simple, so easy. But yet, when it comes to handle that, to kind of embracing that, always not easy. Easy. Why? Because we don't have good foundation of the shamatha meditation. Also, we don't have good foundation of the meritory activities. Also, we don't have maybe not really what devotions. Devotion and meritories and shamatha meditation are the fundamental and essential to actualize the realizations. Really in the teaching set. All those great masters, they've been great practitioners. Very great practitioners, full of joy and love and compassion. Practicing all those accumulation practices. Shamatha meditations. And as well as all such as Hundo practices. Hundo practice is known as kind of translated as preliminary practices. But that is just not preliminary. It is the practice, that practice will lead as a realization of the Dzogchen, our own true nature. Really it will help because we accumulate the merit. What merit? Two merits. Accumulation merit, what's the merit is. Dzogchen teaching, of course, Dzogchen teaching and all those teachings, Mahamudra teachings are when we listen, it is wonderful, beautiful. But the realization is not so easy. Because our meritory is not strong enough, and our devotion is not strong enough, and then also shamatha meditation is not strong enough. Those are the really reasons in the teaching mentioned. And we have all those quite good, really good highlighted qualities. Then realization comes so easily. In the great master Sarah said, realization of the absolute truth or the Dzogchen realization comes like discovering the treasure from one's own palm hand, one's own hand. Discovery is here, right here. Enlightenment is not coming from somewhere, coming or it is going to be handed by someone, but right here, really. But why, even though it's right here, we don't recognize or we don't discover that? Because lack of those. What I said. Why that? Why all that need? Because again, the same answer. Because of the dualities and obscurations, grasping, clinging, the habit pattern that each of us created from the beginner's times is completely shielded that. Now to play with that, we have to play. We need both supporters, merit supporters, accumulation merit, wisdom merit supporters. We need to activate and accumulate merit support. We need shamatha. We need devotions. Devotion and shamatha are relative truth. Devotion is consumption. Faith is consumption. And shamatha, as I said, and you know too, is the consumption. But this consumption is something different. Consumption that will dispel the unhealthy consumptions, obstacle consumptions, hindrance consumptions, blockage consumption. It really will clear that. And also according to teaching, the calmness, even though shamatha is consumption, devotion is consumption, but call it of that shamatha, call it of that devotion are drawn of our nature of the mind. Drawn, D-A-W-N, I think. Drawn or light. The morning light of the enlightenment. Even though it is consumption, it is radiating. So when we kind of touch to that light and go through that light, we will discover the sun of the Buddha enlightenment within from our heart. Those are in the teaching mentioned that all the great masters mentioned. So with this understanding, and now, there's following these lines, there's few lines,